Hey BookTube, how you guys doing today? I think I'm sick. Zoe thinks she's sick.
No, I am sick.
She is sick. Shaylee called me from school a few minutes ago telling me that she was sick and that her teachers are sick. So I just want to thank all of the out-of-towners that came out this weekend to pass on whatever diseases they have to us. I'm almost done with uh, Tarzan at the Earth's Core. It's going really, really well. I like it. Um, there is one thing that I'm really like annoyed by. Um, and I'll just say what it is. The book's been out for like 100 years, so whatever. The whole purpose of them going to this place is to rescue David, who is now the Emperor of Pellucidar or whatever. Since they've landed, or yeah, they landed. Since they've landed in Pellucidar, they haven't mentioned it once. Like everyone's off doing their own thing, and I'm just like, pretty sure there was like a purpose for everyone being down here, and I'm like, 3/4 of the way through the book, and they just haven't talked about it at all, and I'm just like, that's so weird. But I read a couple Lovecraft stories, The Lurking Fear and The Rats in the Walls. They were both okay. I wasn't like jumping up and down about it, but they both had pretty good endings, and I think that's like the strength of like a horror short story. So there's that. But I found a Conan story that I really liked. It was Shadows in Zambula. It was really good. Conan had a sense of humor, like not like a super sense of humor, but a lot of the things he did seemed more realistic as what someone would do. But at the very, very end, um, you could see his like kind of dark sense of humor. First Conan story I read where he has a little bit of personality. But anyway, so that gave me new hope with those stories because the ones I read before were good, but they just didn't like personally grab me. But they were good stories, but I just didn't feel a connection. Zoe went to go get toilet paper and she came back with 3 books.
I got toilet paper as well.
She'll show them to you at another time. Okay, bye.